We're introducing things like having to turn on Exchange cache mode, distance, network conditions, all those other things, and making sure we're still trying to deliver a good user experience. Where traditionally, when everything is in our data center, we're not using Exchange online.
We're going to cover authentication. We're going to talk a little bit about federated auth, one specific protocol, SAML, which is kind of there a lot. We're going to talk about N-factor and OTP, which are kind of some native features built into the NetScaler.
For those not familiar with Citrix Cloud, we're going to define what Citrix Cloud is and what is not. Then we're going to talk about the integration with virtual setup or virtual apps and desktops. No longer send app, no longer send desktop. Difficult for me. And then we're going to talk about Citrix Workspace.
But it's a brilliant patch would definitely help with that, because that way you could effectively get rid of that second. You still have your CPU and your CPU.
You can do one thing. You can clone one of the servers, or if you have a support server you can use, we can stop the setup of.
So this whole presentation today is actually focused on this, explaining how the bad guys operate, what they do, and then discussing what are the best strategies to actually fix this problem.
I have a ton of users using mandatory profiles. Most people keep those on network shares. I keep mine on my PBS and the general care. My network share goes down. I still get my mandatory profile. And I still get my fast logins.
So the way how I started with PowerShell, that was like a couple of weeks before it was actually released publicly, is I decided I'm not going to use user interface for the next 24 hours. And I got stuck for 14 hours trying to send one email. But it's still a worth the learning experience. You want to learn it the hard way.
Because everybody's aware that the Citrix authentication tool was written by him, right?
Yes.
For those that don't know, he's the one that wrote the tool.